Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Nadia Kashif, your SST teacher. You have already completed chapter 7 of geography. Today is our first lecture of history book, chapter 5, socio-cultural development, 711 to 1526 AD. In the previous chapters, you have studied about Indus Valley Civilization, expedition of different invaders in subcontinent, and gradual rise of Muslim rule in India. In this chapter, we will critically examine the influence of different dynasties on society and culture of India. First of all, we will discuss Sufism and its effects on subcontinent. We will also identify different Sufi orders and their contribution in the spread of Islam. Sufism. Sufism is also known as the Tasawwuf. It can be defined as Islamic mysticism or inward dimension of Islam. The spiritual chain of the Tasawwuf is called Silsila. Sufism was introduced in 10th century AD in the subcontinent. The Sufia Kiram invited the non-Muslims to accept Islam. Sufia Kiram played a vital role for the promotion of Islam in subcontinent. They devoted their whole life for the preaching of Islam and values like peace, brotherhood, and unity. Four popular orders or silsila are Chishtia Order, Sohrawardia Order, Naqshbandia Order, Qadria Order. Chishtia Order. Chishtia Order is a Sufi order which arose from Chisht, a small town near Herat in Afghanistan. Hazrat Muinuddin Chishti is credited with laying its foundation in India. He stayed at Ajmer. Other famous Sufi saints of this order are Hazrat Fariduddin Ganchakar Rahmatullah Alayh, Hazrat Bakhtiyar Kaki Rahmatullah Alayh, Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya Rahmatullah Alayh. Sohrawardia Order. Sohrawardia Order is the Sufi order that originated in Sohraward in today's Iran. Shahabuddin Sohrawardi Rahmatullah Alayh was the founder of this order. In subcontinent, this silsila was introduced by Hazrat Bahauddin Zikriya Multani Rahmatullah Alayh. He made Multan the center of his activity. Naqshbandia Order. Naqshbandia Order was started by Hazrat Bayazid Bastami Rahmatullah Alayh. However, Hazrat Khwaja Baqi Billah Rahmatullah Alayh is credited for bringing the order to India during the end of 16th century. He stayed in Delhi. After him, his disciple Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi continued his work. Qadria Order. Qadria Order got its name from Abdul Qadir Jilani, who was a scholar and a preacher in Baghdad. Sultan Bahu contributed to the spread of Qadri order in parts of subcontinent. With this, we come to an end of our first lecture. Today we have discussed the topic which would be helpful in solving the exercise question number 1. What do you know about the important chains of mystics Sufia Kiram in the subcontinent? Until our next lecture, Allah Hafiz and thank you.